lega Marte baboneni mfethu is he playing ilento ukuthi unamakhepha amaningi for Kaizer Chiefs maybe sometime phela kumele basitshele because kubafana not much mara ukuthi bambize nje ngisho call up when you watch him on the field ukuthi azagace ne-umbrella adlale regularly yes he scored a beautiful goal ku-final we need to give credit mhlambe yilo nale lenza ukuthi kube ne-noise yabo because
maybe it's that wonder goal yeDabi uyikhumbula igoal yeDabi ayikora center ayikora kumpontshane
that's why ngithi mina
maybe it's that wonder goal
that's why ngithi shocking ezinye izinto but nayi compliment idlozi zakhe ukuthi limlwele umchita noNkulunkulu wakhe vele ezinye izinto sometimes izinto ziwele endaweni right ngesikhathi esi-right so
but if he leaves then I think this is the most important question makahamba would Chiefs miss him
no
because I'm sure the fans would be unhappy with wahamba captain wethu in but do you think Chiefs would miss
that's
him
why ngithi point lambe le yara kahle hle ukuthi noma ngahamba abaluzanga next sengikhuluma ngebrand ye Chiefs they never lost anything